Hey guys, it's July 3rd, and welcome to this episode of Return to Alaska. So where we're at right now is I am actually hammock camping in preparation for the Glacier View car launch that's going to start in the morning. So I am actually camped right above in a church parking lot that is allowing everyone to camp for free. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, super excited to share this with you tomorrow. Alright guys, and here I am tucked in my little hammock. I got my bug net on. There are some mosquitoes flying around, and my face is the only thing exposed. So I am going to bed. Good night guys, see you in the morning. Alright guys, well after watching the awesome car launch down at Glacier View, we pulled up to our campsite that we're going to stay at for the night. So this is just a little bit of our view. Pretty sweet, we just found it last minute, pulled off the side of the road, and yeah. If you enjoyed this video and want to follow along as we turn our little piece of Alaska into an off-grid getaway, or if you just love outdoor adventures, camping, and exploring the wild, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. There's plenty more to come.